Hi, we're back today to talk about making end tables, side tables for the 1/12 scale miniature dollhouse. This is again for the Real Good Toys Beachside Bungalow. We're trying to upcycle, recycle, be environmentally friendly, economical, something that you could build from what you have. So you'll see these little side tables, and it's what you want. But I want to show you some ideas we've created. I don't eat pizza, but I have friends who do, and a certain brand of pizza has these little triangular plastic items in them to, I guess, keep the pizza fresh. I'm not sure. But I thought, what a great idea. And I measured them, and they work perfectly for scale for the dollhouse. So it's a triangular plastic piece. And this one's not as clear. I apologize. I am not the world's best photographer. So I looked at ideas, jute, tags, all sorts of things, and just trying to get ideas. Those even little brads that you can take and cut off the ends. And just trying to get an idea of what would I like to put on the top of the dollhouse. And kind of like these flowers. Thought about the brads, but they also stick up a little higher. Now, they say you should just use paint that is appropriate for painting on plastic, but I wanted to experiment, so I used my acrylic black gloss paint, and then I also used the acrylic paint that had glitter in it as my second coat. Just painted it with a little inexpensive paintbrush, something you could do with children. And it's messy. I'm showing you I'm using on paper towel. I always use like parchment paper, wax paper, and the paper towel. And these are the brads. And even when you cut off the end, which I'll show you how to do that in a moment, they still stick up a bit. So wrap a paper towel. I learned this from another website and to cut it off. Now, the other concept was to paint your own tabletop. So I actually had taken watercolor paints and painted on watercolor paper, cut it out into a triangle to fit it on top, and you can see there's the idea, kind of a modern idea. And then I put the Mod Podge 3-dimensional on it. After I was through, I glued it. Sorry, I jumped ahead there. Put banger clips on it to express all the glue and tighten it up. And then I put the 3-dimensional Mod Podge on it. Now, remember the little flowers we saw from the little decorative pieces on that packet? Well, this is one of them. Well, I thought, well, the flower's a little too big. We'll wrap it over the edge, and then you can just cut it. Another idea that you can use for a side table is, you see that brown? That's actually packing material that I painted brown, and I put it in the bottom of a medicine cap, and then glued some fabric. This is another idea. It's a little round bottle, and put a button on the bottom of it, and put a piece of fabric I just clipped and put there. So these are my tables finished, and the coffee table we'll show you in another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please come back. Have a great day.